saggy.
Trying to figure out how I took it over. She'll figure it out.
Get the ball. Get it.
God, my mom's dog, we pile all of his toys into a basket, and as soon as you get done picking them all up, he knocks the basket over and then drags them all around. Come on, knock it over. Get it, get it, get it.
Now I just want to find a car to spite him. God, that pisses me off.
What?
What if car shopping made you excited? Or whatever.
Oh, Chris. Get it, Josh. Oh, you almost had it.
There you go.
Yay! Yay, Sasha, you got your ball.
Good girl. Come on.
That wasn't so bad. There's other toys in here.
Sasha, get out.
I love putting words into her mouth.
She's like, no, I'm going to play with the box.
Put it in the box. Put it in there.
So put it underneath.